Alright, well, we're at Noah's. Time to see what he's doing. I believe this is going to be an update on the truck. And he is in there welding at the moment. So, I guess we'll see what's gonna happen.
Well, if you knocked it off skipping, it wasn't on there.
Thing about stick welding is it leaves a lot of stuff.
So we're here with Shart Truck. I'm really zoomed in on my face. This is an update video on his shittiness himself. Right now we are welding, sorry, Noah is welding a battery holder bullshit over there. And other than that, it's...
well, we put hood pins in.
Oh yeah, we put head pins.
We've taken a lot of stuff out. The computer's just...
That's the ECU.
Yeah.
Chilling.
That's...
As you can see, professional wiring.
Yeah. It's not, well, there's no battery in it, doesn't work.
Door handle, or window roller downer. The racing wheel is gone for some reason because we can't find it.
I don't know where it is.
There's considerably less interior, but still too much. The dash is duct taped in, I believe.
No, there's 4 bolts.
Okay.
Well, what do you want? There's too much, well, there's still carpet. There aren't racing seats in it.
The dash was out at one point.
Yeah, the whole, like, this whole thing is one unit, and we took all that out to get the wiring unwrapped and stuff. Ooh, did it dry off? Oh, it did finally.
Parking brake is here. There's still speakers for some reason.
We need to drill those out, because these aren't bolts.
These are rivets.
Yeah.
Sick.
We can do that today.
Other than that, I believe it is somewhat the same.
Yeah. Should we tell them about the videos and the premise behind them, how old they are?
Oh yeah, all the videos that you've been seeing are like at least 2 years old.
A year.
Yeah, like a yearish old, because I still had the Jeep. Other than that, you know, we're older now. There's probably going to be less videos, but maybe more. I'm going to make videos. I don't know about Noah. But we might. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
We don't really have content much up there.
Well, because the content is this truck, and this truck isn't going there. So we'll figure something out.
Oh, he got an ST. A Focus ST. And I got a WRX that's in that shed.
Cut to footage that I took earlier.
I close my eyes only for a moment, and the moment's gone.
Rest in peace.
You go in there and take pictures.
Yes. So
she decided to throw a rod at about 140,000 miles. So we got to rebuild the motor
at some point.
Probably not.
So give us money. Follow our Patreon down below. Like, subscribe, comment. Make sure to tell all your friends to come make fun of us. Because the more they make fun of us, the more views we get. Yeah, so, unless you have anything else to say.
I don't know. You good?
The fuck? I was getting it out of my face. So yeah. I believe we're done.
Oh, she got lower too.
Oh yeah, we put lowering blocks on the back. It still looks like a monster truck, but you know, it's It's a truck.
It's considerably lower than it was.
What does it have in the rear?
373.
No, what kind of axle is it?
Oh, I don't know. It's a little. It won't handle what we're gonna put.
Hopefully the next thing we do to this is a turbo. Hopefully.
Or V8. 'cause
Or V8.
Probably V8 because it's cheaper and it's easier.
Yeah.
And
But we need money to do that.
Yeah, we only need like $200.
It costs more than $200 to swap a V8.
To swap it, but to get the V8.
Yeah, just to get the motor. What the fuck are we gonna do with the motor? Just look at it?
Put it in the back.
Yeah.
It'll sit in the back with a tarp over it for a while, probably.
So yeah, that's pretty much all we have to say. This is a really short video. Any last comments?
No.
Okay. Well.
Goodbye.